Booty bar workouts can improve muscle stability, flexibility, balance, and lead to a leaner figure. To complete a booty bar workout at home, you'll first need to clear a 6 by 6 foot space, preferably a space that has hardwood floor or a carpet with low pile, so that you have a good grip. You'll also need a sturdy chair at the end of your workout space and a floor-length mirror. Before you begin, make a playlist with 20 minutes or more of music, with at least 120 beats per minute and 5 minutes of slower music. Barre is a cardio and strengthening workout, so you want to keep a fast pace. While keeping one hand on the back of your chair, complete a circuit of barre exercises, including pliés, releve pliés, rond de jambes, curtsy lunges, and foldovers. Complete each exercise for 1 minute before switching to the other leg. Make sure to check your form and posture in the mirror as you complete your workout.